Welcome to 1904 Stannard, a 4,700 square foot estate, 5-bedroom, 4-bath in Inman Park. So many great features about this home. Can't wait to show you. Let's go check it out. I love this space. I love how the ceilings are bumped up a little bit, 12-foot, crown molding all the way around. You've got plantation blinds down here, just really adds to the finish. And then it opens to this gourmet kitchen, which is enormous. You've got gas cooktop, stainless appliances, tons of cabinet, tons of counter space. If you're into entertaining, this house is just a great house for that. You've got a downstairs bedroom and full bath. Makes a great guest room or an in-law suite if that's something that you need. So up here, we've got 4 bedrooms and a bonus room. So as you'll see here, as we go into the master, tons of room in this master bedroom. You've got a 2-tray ceiling, built-in recessed lighting. And then as you go into the bathroom, lots of counter space, lots of cabinets, your walk-in shower, garden tub, and then a massive closet. Run out of storage in this house, you might want to think about getting rid of some things. Here's your bonus room. Could use it as a media room or makes a great office as well. 2 bedrooms here that both share this full bathroom. Okay, let's go check out the backyard. So kitchen opens to this screen porch and patio that they just had redecked. All this decking is brand new wood. They just had it restained and sealed. So that's good to go. And then as you can see, you've got a pretty big yard here that's fenced in, it's private. You've got trees on all sides. You got pets or even small kids. You know, it's nice to know that everybody's safe and secure back here. You got to see it in person though to really appreciate it. So come check it out this weekend. Saturday from 1 to 3, Sunday from 2 to 4. Those are our 2 open houses, or you can call us directly to set up a private showing. I know it's Halloween weekend. I know you got a lot going on, but save some time for us. Come see us. Thanks a lot.